We still source ferroalloys from the northern and eastern part of India, as well as certain ferroalloys we do import also.
Okay.
And then if you look at the actual process, it is pretty rudimentary, pretty basic. It's just crushing, mixing, and sieving. That's all. It might look very basic, but then we were very clear. Prakash and I, once we moved to Trichy, I quit my research at IIT Madras and I joined him full time. So one thing that Prakash was very particular about, and which is our motto even today, was that we would not compromise on quality. So we were one of the few people, the day we set up our, our pulverizing unit and our sieve shaker, our sieving machine, we also set up our lab.
Okay.
One of our first employees was a person in the lab. So we started, so when you analyze these ferroalloys, there are two ways to do it. You either do it by the wet chemical analysis, where it is the traditional method of, taking the thing and then soaking it in
Chemistry,
chemical,
pure chemistry.
pure chemistry. The other way is to use, to use equipments like
TDS or XRD.
XRF and all those kind of equipments. So we were very particular about setting up the lab, and right from day one, we used to check our raw material properly, and then we used to check our in process, and then we also used to check the material that used to go out. So quality is, I should say, our biggest use.